Welcome to another iPhone video. In this video, I'll show you 16 new features of iOS 16 on your iPhone which you need to know. Before we begin, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. Okay. So everyone's excited about this new iOS, and in this video, I want to show you 16 new features of iOS 16. So let's begin. So the first new feature of iOS 16 is that you can now customize your lock screen. So you can add widgets, you can alter the lock screen layout, and you can also customize the font of date and time. So as you can see, I can just long press and then tap on customize. And then here I can just tap on the date, add my widgets. I can tap on the time and then change the font and the color. And then tapping on this, here I can add all the widgets which are available. And then tap done once complete. The second new feature of iOS 16 is where you can switch your lock screen. With iOS 16, you can not only create your own personalized lock screen, but also save and change between them whenever you like. So to do this, long press on your lock screen and then swipe right until you come to this screen. Tap on the plus sign here, and then from this screen you can choose any of your lock screen. You can also tap on photos to create your very own lock screen here. Now tap on add and then set it as wallpaper, and now here you have a collection of all the lock screens. The third feature of iOS 16 is the way your notifications are displayed on your iPhone. You can choose from count, stack, or list. To change the notifications, you need to go into settings, then scroll down and tap on notifications. And as you can see, you have three different types of notifications. The first one is count. Count will just show you a number of how many notifications. Tapping on the number will show you the notifications. Stack will stack all your notifications on top of each other. And the third one is list, where it'll list down all your notifications. The fourth feature of iOS 16 is the edit feature in iMessage. You can now edit messages after you have sent it within 15 minutes. After that, your message will be sent and you cannot edit it. So to do this, go to a message. Here I'll send a message. And now to edit it, just long press on it and then tap on edit. Change the text around. Tap on the check here. And there you go, it's been edited and you have a label underneath saying edited. The fifth feature of iOS 16 is the undo send feature in iMessage. You can now undo send message on iMessage and retrieve that message which you were not supposed to send. The time limit for this is 2 minutes. So to do this, long press on the message, and then you'll see this option here, undo send. Tap on it. And there you go, the message will disappear. And as you can see, there will be a message just down below there, where it's basically telling the recipient that unsent message has been done. The sixth feature of iOS 16 is that you can now add multiple stops to your map route before you hit the road. Even better, you can even add 15 stops on a single trip. Now to do this, open up your map app. Make sure to enter in your destination first, then add your pins anywhere you like on the map, and then tap on add stop. And like this, you can add 15 stops to your route. The seventh feature of iOS 16 is that live text now picks up text from a video. Live text has done one better than Android, as you can now pick up text from a video. So to do this, go into your photos, go to video. Here I've already recorded a video. Tap on it and press play. Now press pause and you should notice the live text icon here. Tap on it and this will recognize all the text in this scene. So as you can see, it has recognized tempered glass, premium tempered. Tap on it and you should get an option to copy, select all, lookup or translate and more. Now the 8th feature of iOS 16 is where you can now isolate subject from a photo and send it to someone on iMessage or keep it in notes. So this ability to lift a subject out of a photo works with images in your camera roll or also in Safari or Quick Look or any screenshots you have captured. So to do this, go into your photo app, go to a photo here, long press on the subject, and then go back to the home screen, open up messages, and now you can just drop it here. And there you go, the photo has been pasted in message. The 9th feature of iOS 16 is where you can now schedule your mail to be sent at a certain time. This is a great feature as you can now schedule your emails. So to do this, open up your mail app. Let's create a new email. Enter in your to, enter in the subject. Now once you're done entering the body, then you can long press on the send icon here. And here you will have more options. So you can send now, or you can send it tomorrow at 8 AM, or you can send it later at a specified time. Now the 10th feature of iOS 16 is now you can undo send emails. If you have Outlook or Google Mail, you have the option to undo send. This works in a similar manner. So once you press send, after a certain amount of time, it will then send the message. So to do this, first you need to configure how many seconds. So you need to go into settings, then find mail, and then scroll all the way down. And here you'll see undo send delay. Tap on it and then select the seconds. So I'll select 30 seconds. And now I'll go into my mail app, create a new email. I'll press send, and now you have this new option here, undo send. This will stay there until the amount of time you have chosen. So I've chosen 30 seconds. Once the time finishes, the option will then disappear. Pressing undo send will stop the email from being sent. The 11th feature of iOS 16 is Memojis. So Memojis get 17 new or updated hairstyles in iOS 16, giving users a wider selection for replicating their style. So there are new curly styles as well as updates to tight curl styles, box braids and boxer braids. The 12th feature of iOS 16 is that you can now find your Wi-Fi password on your iPhone. This is great if someone wants to connect to your Wi-Fi at home and you don't know the long password to your home router. To find your Wi-Fi password, tap on Settings, then Wi-Fi, and then tap on Edit. This will activate Face ID. Now select the Wi-Fi and then tap on I. And now you see the password field. Tap on it and you should see the password appear. The 13th feature of iOS 16 is that your hidden folder is now protected by Face ID, which is very good news. Instead of having third-party apps, you can now hide your photos more securely. So to enable hidden photo album, go into settings, then scroll down and find photos. Over here, find show hidden album and make sure it's enabled. Now go into your photo app, go into albums, scroll all the way down. Here you'll see the hidden option, tap on it, and this will activate Face ID, and now you can see all your hidden images in that album. The 14th feature of iOS 16 is to show battery percentage on your iPhone. This is really handy when you want to see your battery life in a glimpse. So to enable this, you need to go into settings, scroll down and tap on battery. And then here you have battery percentage and you need to enable it on the right hand side. Do note, iPhone XR, iPhone 11, iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 13 mini won't show this option here. The 15th feature of iOS 16 is haptic feedback on your keyboard. So now when you type on your keyboard will give a vibration feedback, which is great as it tells that you have typed something. So to enable this, go into settings, scroll down and tap on sound and haptic. Scroll down again and tap on keyboard feedback, and then make sure to enable haptic here. So toggle it to the right hand side. Now you can open up a iMessage and you should feel and hear some vibration. The 16th and last feature of iOS 16 is recovering deleted messages. If you have a habit of deleting messages in Message app and happen to require them at a later point, then you can recover deleted messages with iOS 16. So to do this, open up Messages. Now tap on Filters here, and now you'll see this new option here, Recently Deleted. Tap on it, select the message here, and then tap on Recover. And then tap on Recover again. And now that message has been recovered. And those were the 16 new features of iOS 16 which you should know. Let me know in the comment section which one were your favorite and any new ones which you have found yourself. If you found this helpful, then please subscribe and like this video. Any comments or questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.